Assalamu alaikum, Nani.
Walaikum assalam.
Nani, do you know what we saw after school today?
What did you see, Bunty?
No, I want to tell.
Okay, tell me, Bubbly.
We saw an old lady who could not find her car. So this man carried her bags and helped her to find the car.
Yes, and at the end, the old lady was so happy, she was grateful to the man for helping her.
Wow, that's great. Kids, do you know that when you help others, God is happy with us and He gives us more in return?
Nani, how does God give us more?
Well, if you give charity to someone who is in need, God returns you with double the amount over time. Or if you help a friend who is struggling with an exam, then God will be happy with you and He will make your exam easier for you.
Nani, I also learned in school that by helping others, you feel satisfied with yourself.
Yes, Bubbly, God loves those who perform good deeds. That's why you feel satisfied. Also, did you know by being helpful and kind, you also become likable by others?
So if I'm kind to others, people will like me. How?
Well, if you are rude to others, no one will associate with you. People would not want to be friends with you, and you will feel lonely. So it is very important to be kind to others. You can help others by putting a smile on a crying face, by giving shelter to a tired traveler, by giving water to a thirsty man, by bringing happiness in others' lives, by encouraging frightened hearts.
What is frightened heart, Nani?
If someone has a frightened heart, it means they are afraid. We all have fears, even grown-ups. You can help someone by giving them hope and encouraging them. For example, if your friend got a bad grade in an exam and she is feeling afraid, she doesn't want to tell her parents, you can give her hope that everything will be all right.
Yes, from now onward, I will be helpful and kind to everyone.
Wow, that's great.
Nani, we learned so much today. Thank you so much.
Nani.
You're welcome, bachcho.